think he came?
Yeah, he came to that footprint.
Right. Oh, no way.
I know egg. A footprints. It might be over there.
Where are they going to?
Go to the door.
Whoa.
My Easter eggs. More Easter eggs. Where is it? Candy.
Candy.
Wow, my goodness. Look, that one showed my computer.
What? How did the Easter Bunny know you had a computer? What's in that one?
You get it?
What is it?
It's a money.
It's money.
Money?
For your piggy bank?
Yeah. My goodness. My goodness.
What's all that stuff?
My goodness.
What is
Easter
it?
Bunny come with the pig on my basket.
What'd he get you?
What in the world?
Is that a baton?
The baton for my
And what's this blue one? Who's that for?
the blue one.
Is that for Michael? That basket's for Michael. It's got his name on it.
Yeah.
Wow.
My name on it.
Wow.
My goodness.
Happy Easter, Madeline.
My goodness.
My goodness.
Yeah.
We'll have to do that later, huh?
My goodness. Look.
Oh, paper. Stickers.
My favorite.
Are those tattoos?
Tattoos. Candy again.
Again? Easter Bunny must like candy, huh? You have to give that to Michael. His basket.
Wow. What's this?
Is that lipstick like Mommy?
Oh my goodness. That Easter Bunny, we're going to have a talk.
My goodness.
Put it on, let's see. Oh, beautiful.
My goodness, Mommy. How did Easter Bunny give me this?
He must know how beautiful you are.
Candy.
Again?
And again. Kids books. My goodness.
Wow.
I didn't know anything. My goodness, Mommy. Look
Wow.
at this.
Happy Easter, Michael.
Oh,
The
thank
Easter Bunny
you.
brought you some goodies. What else did he get, Madeline?
He got a cookie.
And stickers. Ooh, what's that?
Oh, a monkey?
A monkey for our two little monkeys? Wow.
Going through nap time, aren't we?
Stickers. There we go.
There's one.
Hey, Michael. Happy Easter, Bobs. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, Mom.
Look, Mommy.
What? You found another egg. What's inside?
Candy.
Candy. So where do you think these footprints are leading to?
They went to the door.
You solved the mystery.
Look.